What is a content pillar? A content pillar is a main topic or theme that you regularly create content about. In simple words, a content pillar is a big idea that supports all your content. It helps you stay focused and organized when creating posts, videos, or blogs. For example, if you run a fitness page, your content pillars might be workout routines, healthy diet, motivation. Each pillar is a core topic, and you create many pieces of content under each one. For example, posting daily workout tips is part of a fitness content pillar. This means the content is based on a main theme. Content pillars are commonly used in social media marketing, YouTube channels, blogs, and websites. They help you stay consistent, build authority, make content planning easier. For example, she planned her post using 3 content pillars. This means she organized her content into main topics. Here are some more example sentences. Content pillars help structure your ideas. Brands use content pillars for marketing. He created content around one main pillar. Some related terms include content strategy, niche, and marketing. In simple terms, a content pillar is a main topic that guides your content creation. Easy way to remember. Content pillar means the main idea behind your content.